I was already doing light vehicle mechanics, and MIGAS came around through the last few weeks of school, and I did a day of work experience here, and I enjoyed it. They liked me, and I've been ever since. We work on mining equipment, construction equipment, civil equipment. So anything that has to lift or move, any material that has a diesel motor in it, we go for it. You get a wide range of things. You learn majority of what you need to for your trade. And they give you a good range of workshop and field experience, so that you get around, and plenty of different people, so you get plenty of experience with everyone. First off, I just started with cars, always been around them, and well, that industry only gets you so far. This came up, and something new, something interesting, something a bit bigger, a bit better. It's only 4 short years of a gateway to a whole career. It will get you somewhere in life or something to fall back on if you want to change in the end.